Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best cordless pruning shears. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Dorset. It can cut branches over 1.2 inch quickly without damage. The blade is made of SK5 high carbon steel which is sharp and anti-rust. It can last for a long time. Besides, shock-proof and anti-slip, ergonomic design, you will not easily feel tired after a long time using. Also, it is also very friendly to people with arthritis hands. Electric pruner has a wide range of uses, all kinds of gardens, parks, farms, large pastures, orchards, greenhouses. Two 9,000 mAh large capacity rechargeable lithium battery for cordless use. Number 4. Brand name, Dorset. Cordless rechargeable pruning shears for cutting and trimming branches in fruit orchards, vineyards. Sharp blade, made of steel, durable. Maximum 3 cm cutting radius 15,000 mAh large capacity rechargeable lithium battery for cordless use. Ergonomic, anti-slip and comfortable handle. Low noise, good fatigue resistance. Flexible in use, easy to turn, safe and reliable, easy to maintain, convenient to replace battery and operate. The pruning quality can meet the requirements of horticulture. Number 3. Brand name, Fujiwara. Lightweight, compact and cordless design and a dual trigger safety button for ease and security of use. Unlike anything else on the market, use this cordless electric pruner to trim back overgrown garden shrubs and bushes and maintain healthy plants. Powered by a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery pack. Charge time, 3 hours. Approx usage, 800 cuts. Make quick, clean cuts on all kinds of softwood foliage up to 25 mm thick to keep your garden life rich and healthy. A safety lock switch ensures safe operation. Weighing only 920 grams, this ergonomic pruner can be operated with one hand with ease to reach tight or awkward spaces. Number 2. Brand name, Aloey. Speed up the cutting speed, improve work efficiency and save electricity. Comfortable grip, soft rubber wrap, ergonomic design, non-slip comfortable. Digital display scissors, display battery power and number of scissors opening. Automatic power off when touched by hand, safer operation. When the diameter of the cut branches is small, the knife edge can be converted to a small position, which can be high-strength alloy steel. Charging time, 1.5 to 2 hours. Full power work, 2 to 3 hours. Number 1. Brand name, Nova. High capacity batteries and wireless. This machine powered by detachable battery, one-step installation. Built-in 9,000 mAh large capacity lithium battery, easy charging and long battery life. The cordless design allows you to say goodbye to the old rough scissors for electrical branches, expanding the scope of work and making cutting a pleasure. You can cut branches with a maximum diameter of 30 mm, 25 mm. SK5 special steel blade, can be quickly pruned.